Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about Otto by HP and the original Otto DIY, which was created in 2016 by its inventor Camilo, a design engineer who wanted to create an affordable, expandable robot that could be extended by the community and could also serve as a great educational tool for children and adults alike. Otto is fully open source, as in source code, software, 3D printing, designs, and so on, and all the knowledge related to Otto and its part are freely available to anyone. This in turn fostered a dedicated community which contributes their own 3D printable designs as well as new use cases for Otto and ideas. You can find various videos about new Otto creations all over the internet as well as several spin-offs. There is also a Discord channel with about 1,700 members. About 70-80 I've seen actually online, so I'm not sure. That's might also be a time zone thing, that I'm just not in the right time zone for people to be online. However, there's also a ton of tutorials and educational materials on the website of the Otto DIY, so the original Otto, to get started. Otto DIY is offered as a maker and builder kit. So the latter comes with everything to build Otto in its entirety, while the maker kit, on the other hand, kind of requires you to print the outer shell yourself. Otto is compatible with Arduino, which is really cool. So you can code in C++ or Python. The other thing that you can do is you can code in Blockly. So Blockly is basically Scratch, similar to Scratch, visual programming interface where you can click things together and stuff. So it's great for kids and adult beginners. Note that I was not able to find actually an Otto kit on their official website for purchase. So I'm not sure they're still offering it, but I did find it on eBay, for instance, and they were selling it for 35 to 43 euros. So that's euros. I don't dollars. It would be slightly more, I guess. Note that, however, with the new version that has been published by HP at the very beginning of this year, things are slightly different. So I think the basic concept as well as the design is very similar. However, the new box now comes with wheels instead of legs, so it's not walking, not yet anyway. Then the new variations look a little more streamlined because HP branding, and they probably put some thought into that. There's now again 2 kits that you can actually purchase from the HP website. The company that is actually selling them is Moravia Consulting, and I have done the work for you. I have ordered the kit, and it was really fast to reach. On the website it said something availability is 24 days or something, so I was okay, probably have to wait a while, but just after 2-3 days they shipped it, and it just reached 2-3 days later. To be fair, I'm very close, so it's not this thing had to go around the world. But so the kits that they offer are kind of the same concept again. So you have a builder kit and a maker kit. The maker kit is 129 euros and the builder kit is 149. So the builder kit is basically the same as the builder kit that we had before. You have all the parts, you can build it, and you're good to go. The maker kit, which is 20 euros less than the builder kit, has you you have to print your own parts, right? So the 3D printable parts you have to do yourself, and that saves you 20 euros. I'm not sure that's worth it, so I went for the full kit. And in another video that's coming up, I will build it together with you, and we can take a closer look at the whole thing. Like I said, I found the original kit, the original builder kit, for 35 to 43 euros on eBay, compared to the whooping 149 now. So it's 100 euros more, essentially, for something that is very similar, at least it seems to me. That seems kind of crazy. So I'm not sure, okay, it's HP, so maybe that's where this is coming from. Prices have also increased all around the world, but for sure not in this way. Plus, you can still buy the old kit for, 35 to 43 euros. So let's see. Unfortunately, I do not have the original kit to compare it to. Otherwise, I could do some kind of comparison. But we'll just have to go with the HP kit that I got. And let's see how that does. Also, I checked out the current HP-related Discord community. It has about 50 members, or at least it did when I checked a few days ago. Not a lot, but then again, it's actually quite new, so I hope this takes off and gets maybe as popular as the original Otto DIY. we shall see.